Hey everybody, thanks for watching Crystalline Science. This is Crystalline Mahalik here teaching you mid-level science. Now today what we're going to talk about is how to make a scientific inference. And so you're making an inference based on scientific evidence. And so I'm going to show you exactly how that works with this chart that I have behind me. Now if you look at this chart, I have the words I see on the left. This is going to be your evidence, something you can directly see in any situation. And the next one I have here is I know. And that's something that you know about that thing that you're looking at, that evidence that you have. And on the right-hand side, I have so I can infer. And so that's actually where you're going to be making this inference with this chart. So I see, I know, so I can infer. So let me give you an example. I see. I look out the window, and what do I directly observe? I see a gray cloud. So I have gray cloud. I see a gray cloud. What do I know about gray clouds from my past experiences and things that I've learned before? I know gray clouds bring precipitation. Precip. I'm just going to write precip. I know that gray clouds bring precipitation. I also know that if that is higher than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to have rain. If it's less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to have snow. So I know that temperature makes a difference there. And so I can infer that today, being higher than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it's going to rain. Now you may not have used this chart in your head. You may, look out the window at the sky and see a gray cloud and say, oh, it's going to rain. But that's the step that your brain uses to tell you that. You see a gray cloud, you know gray clouds bring precipitation, and so now you know it's going to rain. It happens just like that. My dog can do this too. My dog Thor, he's a big puppy. He's like 85 pounds, but he can do this too. He sees a leash. He sees me pick up a leash, and he says, he gets excited, right? He says, walk, are we going for a walk? He sees the leash. He knows that usually when we get the leash, we go for a walk. And so he infers that now we are about to take a walk. So that's my dog. My dog can use evidence in order to figure out what's happening next. Now, I might not be trying to go for a walk. I might be picking up the leash to move it, or maybe we're going to the vet or something. But he sees the leash. He knows that usually when we get the leash, we go for a walk, and therefore he knows that we're going to take a walk. So hopefully, hey, if Thor can do it, you guys can do it too. See if you can create your own scientific inference in your everyday life today. Thanks for watching Crystalline Science.